So one of the things that you can do inside of Google Classroom is schedule out assignments. Let's say you want to go around and say, like announce something tomorrow morning. Then what you can simply do is, let's say, for example, you want to say something like, this is a reminder to bring in assessment drop in class for progress review right here. So I don't want to immediately submit it today, but tomorrow morning, and so this is okay for some other time. In that case, you can go around over here onto the down arrow, and over here you can see that schedule is an option. Once you go around and do this, you get the time for when you want to schedule this to. So I'm just going to go around and say I want to schedule it to tomorrow, that is September 20 from the date of this recording. And I'm going to go around and say, let's say for example 9:23 a.m. right here. And you can go around and schedule it right here. Once you do that, you can see that under saved announcement, you can see that there is one announcement right here, and this actually is in the schedule section right here. So you can go around and change this out however you like. So let's say for example, instead of 23, I'm going to say 43 right here, just like this. So you can go around and update it and schedule it out right here, and the announcement just stays right there without being posted until that particular time. But if you want to go ahead and delete out the scheduled post, then you can see that you can expand this, and over here you can simply go around and delete the scheduled announcement and delete it, and it won't be posted anymore on that particular time. So that is how you can go around and schedule out appointments, that is not appointments but announcements inside of Google Classroom. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.